Hello everyone, my name is Bhavna and I welcome all of you to this very exciting lab today. We are going to take a quick look at fault tolerance and its configuration, and later on we will verify its working. So first of all, let me explain you what fault tolerance in VMware actually means. Fault tolerance or FT provides continuous availability for the virtual machines in case of an ESXi server failure. It basically keeps a shadow virtual machine or identical virtual machine on secondary ESXi server, and therefore fully eliminates the server's downtime. Fault tolerance is specially made to meet the needs of business critical operations, which cannot afford any downtime. So let's start with preparing our virtual machine. For that, let's go to Home. As you can see, I'm already on Home. We'll go to vCenter, VMs and Templates. We have to shut down our virtual machine here. The virtual machine for today will be Bhavna01-2. You have to right click the virtual machine and shut it down. I've already shut it down. So after shutting the virtual machine down, we have to open it and we have to go to the settings. Here are the settings. So we don't need the CD, DVD and floppy drive here, so you can disable them. As you can see, I've disabled my CD, DVD and I don't need the floppy as well. So let's go now to VM options. In VM options, we have to go to Advanced, and from Advanced we'll go to Edit Configuration. So there are two attributes here, name and value. In name, we have to search for three things. Replay.supported first of all. Here it is, replay.supported. We have to give true to it. It's already true as I've completed my lab. Then replay.allow BT only, true to this one as well, and replay.allow FT. This one is false, I will change it to true. Press OK. Give OK again. And you can see it is getting reconfigured. So we have to now enable FT logging. For enabling the FT logging, we have to come to host and clusters. I'm already on host and clusters. I have to go to my ESXi hosts. I will pick up the first one. Go to summary. I'm already on summary. In the configuration pane, I have to see whether the field host configured for FT is no or not. Yes, I can see, you all can see it is no. So let's go to the manage tab now. Under this tab there is networking, yes. VM kernel adapters, yes. Under VM kernel adapters we have to go to vMotion. Click vMotion and we have to edit some settings here. Click edit settings. This will open the edit settings wizard. We have to check the fault tolerance logging here. As you can see, I've already checked it. Check it. Click OK. And we have to now come back to summary. In the configuration pane, this must have turned yes from no, but it did not turn for me, and there is a reason for that. Please note that it will show yes only for physical hardware and not for the virtual hardware, and this is the reason it is showing me no, because I am in a virtual environment. So we have now enabled the FT logging. We have to now activate our FT protection. Host and clusters again. Right click the virtual machine. Go to vCenter actions. Fault tolerance. And turn on the fault tolerance. Yes. Give yes to it. As you can see, the progress in recent tasks. It may take a while. So yes, it has been activated now. As you can see, the icon for my virtual machine has also turned dark blue, which signifies it has been activated. So after activating the fault tolerance, we will introspect some things. Please notice that in the related objects pane, the host that my virtual machine is running on is ESXi02 and the secondary one is ESXi01. We will now power on our virtual machine. Right click, power on. Also see that the fault tolerance status is not protected, and we have powered it on now. It will change a few things in all the panes. Let us refresh so that we can see the updated version of web client. Let's go to the bottom. See, the status of fault tolerance has changed to protected. It was non-protected, not protected earlier. We have to test the configuration now. In order to test the configuration, open both the primary and secondary machines' remote consoles by right-clicking and clicking Open Console. Open Console is not working for me. It is not supporting my environment. So I will be opening it by Open with VMRC. Allow. Yes, it is open, as you can see. We will open our web client as well. Right click and Open Console. As you can see, I have arranged both the consoles side by side to make you observe both the primary and secondary machines running together. So let me give the password. See how beautifully both the consoles are running together. They are all synchronized. I'm opening CMD now, the command line. I'm giving ping command to know the IP config. So yes, here we can see the IP has come 169.254.96.21. 169 is an auto-generated IP. We will ping this IP. An infinite ping, so -T 169.254.96.21. It will generate a continuous ping. You have to give Control-C to stop that continuous ping. We have returned to our web client now. We have to test the failover. Right click the virtual machine and select Test Failover, Fault Tolerance and Test Failover. Yes, the task has accomplished. We will quickly go to the consoles. You can see the ping is still smooth and we did not even come to know about the transition. So the failover has been successful. We did not even come to know and we just did a failover, but the transition is smooth enough and everything is working smoothly and continuously. Let's go to the summary of our machine now. We are on the summary. The hosts have also exchanged their places. The machine is again, it is on ESXi01, which was ESXi02 previously, the protected status, and the secondary is 02 again. So this is how they have exchanged their places, and it's time for us to turn off the fault tolerance. For that, right click the virtual machine, all vSphere interactions, fault tolerance, and turn off the fault tolerance. Give yes. Make sure to not disable the fault tolerance, as it will again take a lot of time to re-enable it. Just keep it safe by turning off and just turn on when needed. You will see that the fault tolerance pane in Summary tab has gone away, and we have to now verify that our VM does not have any memory reservation configured. To see it, right click the VM and go to Edit Resource Settings, and this is open the wizard, and change this memory to 0. You have to manually do it. Click OK, and we have erased the memory as well. So this was all about the configuration and testing of fault tolerance in VMware. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.